in with us, it won't be too late for them. It's too late for them if they don't. Because they ain't got no genes to make the transition. You see the commercials, all these white people hanging out with black people like that, up under. And you old enough to remember when that wasn't on TV, right?
Correct.
All right. Well, why are they doing it now, Donald Trump? It ain't because they love you more. They need you. You're the salt of the earth. Do you understand? They need your genes.
Okay.
Or they're going to be left behind. Listen, I was asleep, and I was going with two white girls in San Diego for a brief minute, right? And we was in a motel room, and we was, doing what people do. And one of them got and sit in the chair and had her feet up in the chair like they do. They don't have them on the floor. They sit up in the chair like an owl on a branch. And she just bust out and started crying. I don't want to be left behind. I don't want to be left behind. I didn't even know what she was talking about then, but I do now, all right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Abu.
Yes.
I got a question.
I'll do my best.
Why they try to kill us or distinguish us?
Because those are the ones that are full of hate. They're full of piss and vinegar and hate. And those are the extremely ignorant ones of the earth. They don't know anything. But they were raised hating black people or thinking they were superior to blacks. And that's the thing that's keeping them trapped in the lower dimensions, okay? Like Donald Trump. He could never make it. In fact, he's getting on television and telling that with his own mouth, I know I'm not going to heaven, right?
Right.
That's what y'all hearing him. The honest of you will know it. He's saying, I'm not going to heaven. So where else is he going? To hell. There ain't no place left.
That's right. That's right.
And don't nobody hate blacks more than him.
I have a question.
That's right.
Yeah. There you go. Go ahead.
Oh, I got on late around like 9:26, so I don't really know what most you talked about tonight.
I know. So why are you talking? I mean, you the person I was talking about that the other sister went crazy on. Now you know you don't understand what's going on here. So why do you insist on talking? Right? And saying things over and over again, like you saying things over and over again, like I missed 5 classes, I didn't come to class, or I can't see no stars moving, I don't see nothing. Why do you keep getting on class to say those things?
Oh, okay.
That only creates doubt in people. I don't need to hear you didn't come to class 5 times, or you can't hear stars move, see stars move no more. We got you. We understand. You sleep. But I love you, and I hope you stay and you can wake up. But you're not going to wake up and wake nobody else up by talking so much. So remember why the Creator gave you 2 ears and 2 eyes and just 1 mouth. So you can look and listen twice as much as you speak. Beloved, you hear me?
Yeah.
Right. Now, what was your question? Yeah, go ahead.
So, what's the difference between you pulling us through Ascension now and as King Tut creating the stairway to heaven, so to speak?
Nothing but the perceived illusion of time. Thousands of years that y'all have been here suffering, left behind in hell when you could have been in heaven all that time. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Right.
So now we just basically doing it with the suffering instead of just ascending like it was a part of the plan to keep extending and evolving.
And during the suffering, no, right now you've been given a final chance to break the suffering and leave and go back home if you don't miss it. That's why I was sent after Yanun. You understand? I'm your final chance.
I got you.
Right. Hold on to the rope and don't let go. Hold on to me. You wake up in heaven.
Absolutely.
Yes.
I would like to say Happy Father's Day to all the fathers, too.
I love you for that. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers.
Appreciate it. Happy Father's Day to y'all, too.
Day.
Yes, Happy Father's Day to all the fathers.
Happy Father's Day.
That's right.
Happy Father's Day.
Everybody got a father. Right.
Happy Father's Day.
Yes.
Press.
Are there any new people here tonight? Yeah, any new souls here tonight? They were all chased off last class. Boy, that creature there throwed away 20 years of work. Go ahead, son.
AMUN, ain't that harmful to a Nubian for them to mix their seed with the caucasus?
Well, yeah, it is harmful, yeah. But it does more good for the caucasoid than harm to the Negro, you understand?
I got you.
But the thing is you don't want that kind of thinking to get mixed up with get your mind messed up. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Because most of them been raised with negative programming about black people ain't shit and they superior and all that. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
All that reverse psychology. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
And they get offended if you tell the truth. Now, I'll tell you what the main problem is with them. If they spent 6,000 years lying to us about how we was black, ugly monkeys and ignorant and this, that, and the other, and inferior, and we are superior, and we humans, and we got hair and skin, and they are albinos, and they mix with dogs and pigs and all that, and monkeys, for real, with animal eyes and everything, and they got it in their mind that they better. Do you understand?
Sure.
And if you live with them and put up with that shit, you start doubting yourself. You understand?
That's right. That's the game they've been playing for many years.
That's facts.
So psychologically, they can be harmful to you, but mostly y'all being together can only benefit them. Do you understand?
I got you, too.
Because you can, let me simplify it. You can get them to heaven, and they can take your ass to hell.
Understand.
Sure.
Right. I got some white people I'm taking to heaven. Straight crackers. I'm taking them to heaven with me because they earned that right with me. You understand? And a whole lot of niggas black as a lump of coal gonna be left behind where they belong because they acting like monkeys and dogs. That's right. Like that last nigger, you understand? Acting just like a monkey or a dog.
I got you.
It's time to go outside and perform miracles. Everybody on this phone that don't believe I can move stars and moons and the universe, go outside right now, please, and bear witness to it. Don't just look at it and see it happening and push it to the side because you don't want it to be your reality. It is reality. And it's just one way that the Creator organized to make sure you knew I was the real Messiah. But only people that can make it can see it. If you're too dumb to see that, then it's not for your ass. That's all. Unless you keep working with me and I just raise up your vibrations and one day I see it. Okay, okay. And that wasn't no white damn Jesus did that. That was the real one. All right, what do you all see outside?
I see one star.
One star. Okay, wait a minute. Let me work with this brother right here. Okay, the star that you see right now, I'm going to raise it up in the name of AMUN Ray.
Going up.
That's right.
Moving.
Now I'm going to make it drop down in the name of the Messiah. It's wobbling a little bit, too.
Dropping down, yeah, it's like blinking.
Yeah, it is. Now I'm going to make it go in a circle clockwise into the future.
Blinking
It
happily.
just disappeared.
Yeah,
it's completely gone. Absolutely gone. Not even there.
With the star? Okay, look.
Yeah, it just...
That's not true. You got to keep looking. It's there. Go in a circle clockwise.
Oh, I see. The clouds covered. Okay.
Go in the circle.
Okay, it's coming back out.
That's right. It's there. Yes, sir. It's there.
Yeah, it's moving.
Make sure you want to see it. You will see it. It's there. Do y'all see the moon out there?
Yeah, I see the moon.
All right. All right, I'm going to make the moon go up in the name of the Messiah. Go up, moon.
It's going up.
Going up.
That's right.
Going up.
Now I'm going to make the moon go to the right in the name of the Messiah.
Going to the right.
Now I'm going to make it go up and go to the left in the name of AMUN.
Yep, going left.
Yep, going up and left.
Right? Now I'm going to make it go counterclockwise, and I don't want to do that, but I'm going to make it go counterclockwise.
Yeah, going counterclockwise.
Yep.
Yeah, but I'm going to bring it back clockwise, bring y'all back into the future. You don't need to go in the past.
Coming back clockwise.
Yeah.
Yep, moving clockwise.
I love you. Now, y'all can see a lot of stars. I'm going to move the whole creation. All the stars and planets and everything move to the left in the name of AMUN.
Yep.
Moving left.
Moving left. Yeah,
now,
it's
all
moving
creation,
left,
all creation, raise up in the name of the Messiah, AMUN.
Raising up.
That's right. Now,
Raising
all
up.
creation, drop back down in the name of the Messiah. Believe me, if I can raise up the whole
Drop it
creation,
down.
I can take you.
Dropping down.
Listen, if I can raise up the whole
Dropping
creation, I can take you to heaven. Listen to me. If I can raise up the whole creation, you doubt I can raise you up to heaven?
I don't doubt it. No.
I don't
But you
doubt
can't
it.
be
I don't
ignorant.
doubt.
You can't be, let me talk. You can't be ignorant or evil or rebellious. You got to be obedient. Now I'm asking y'all to write testimonies and send them to me. And always email me testimonies about what you experienced and what you learned in this class. And and write posts and post up in Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all over the world, post up the times of the classes and put links to the classes on there and invite people to class. Raise up to 144,000. As soon as you do, I'm taking y'all out of here and taking you back home. So you can't get sick, you can't die, you can't suffer no more. Now don't mess up another 1,000 years with the Stargate again and never, because we're not coming back no more. I love you all. Write those testimonies.
Why does the moon look like blurry?
Why do? It has an aura, not blurry. That's called an aura, Angel. It's not blurry.
Love and light, family.
That's right.
Wadu.
Love you all, family. What do?